Welcome to this whistle-stop tour of Xero. Hopefully you've already looked at my other presentation telling you what Xero is and who it's targeted at. The starting point with Xero is the dashboard, which gives you an instant view of your key financial information. If you've activated bank feeds, then you'll receive your bank statement information on a daily basis automatically into Xero. You can then immediately reconcile those transactions with the easy-to-use bank reconciliation. There are some great features in the bank reconciliation, such as Xero finding, matching transactions and prompting you to reconcile them. You can also set up your own bank rules which Xero will apply when searching for transactions. Xero also learns how you treat transactions and will prompt you the next time it finds a similar transaction. The next area we'll have a look at is the accounts receivable. The graph gives you an idea of when you should be receiving monies for the invoices you have issued. It also details overdue invoices, so you can target these with your credit control procedures. We can see that some of our invoices have not yet been sent, so we can quickly go in and email the invoice to the customer. If they're not on email, then we can create the invoice as a PDF, print it out and post it. This shows you the high quality invoice that can be created from within Xero. Next, we'll have a look at how we create an invoice within Xero. We go into Accounts Receivable and the choices are New Invoice or a repeating invoice, New Credit Note, Send Statements. We've also got a button here so that we can actually import invoices that have been created in a third-party system. Generating an invoice, simply start typing the first letter of a customer's name and it'll search through the contacts that are held within the system to pull in your customer. You've got a little drop-down date feature here to put in the date of the invoice, and if that's due 30 days later, you can put +30 to get the due date of the invoice. Within the system, you can also enter what are called inventory items so that you can quickly pull in standard work at standard prices to create your invoice. Invoices can then be saved as draft, submitted for approval so that someone senior can go through and check that the invoice is correct before it's actually sent out to the customer, or if you are a senior person, then you can just approve the invoice and add another one. Xero also includes a number of high quality reports as standard, and these can be added to the reports menu for quick access. Let's have a quick look at the profit and loss report. The profit and loss report is a real-time report. That means it contains all the data that's been entered in the system at the point that you run it. And this can be regenerated in a number of different formats. So let's have a quick look at the actual against the budget. The report can be exported to Excel as a PDF file or to Google Docs, and then distributed to any relevant people. Well, that brings to an end my whistle-stop tour of Xero. So if you're interested in seeing a bit more, or having a free initial consultation about how Xero can help your business, and perhaps replacing your existing time-consuming system, then get in contact with us using the form at the bottom of this page.